Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just traded in is this 2014 Hyundai Elantra. This one is red. It's got gray cloth interior. It's got heated bucket seats, CD, satellite radio. It's got 55,000 miles. It's got a nice size back seat. It's got Hyundai wheels. It's got a really nice size trunk for you, and it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 14 Elantra or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom? That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.